In this video, we'll be talking about how you can split first and last names based on where the space is. So here you'll see in my data that I have all these students' full names. Let's say I want to see all of them with the first and last names split apart. So I can take take all of these names here and select all of them and go over to now where it says go over to Data tab. So if you're in the Home tab, go over to the Data tab and then click on Text 2 columns. And then click on Delimited, and then click on Next. And then select how you would like these names to be delimited. So if there's a comma in there, for example, if it's last name comma first, or if it's something specific, you can click on Other. Yours might be preset on tab, but I'm going to put on space and I'm going to uncheck tab because I'm not using tab as my delimiter. And then after that, I'm going to click on Next. Leave this alone here. I would just leave it as general, and then click on Finish. And then you'll see that now the first and last names are separated.